Hi guys, welcome to another video of Triple T Golf, and yet again another weekend in the UK where I am being completely and utterly drowned out. As you know from the videos last week, I was full of cold after playing in the rain and the wind, and I'm not going to do it again. I probably will. Again this morning, just as soon as I got on the motorway, just absolutely pouring it down. So I decided to come back to Waterfront Golf Club, the driving range with the Trackman in there, and yeah, we're still playing golf in a way, and we're hopefully going to get out tomorrow should the weather be better. The beginner golfer is messaging me constantly and is keen to get out there. For now, let's go. Welcome to Waterfront Golf Club and the driving range with the Trackman fitted. Today we're going to try something different. We're going to play a game called Bullseye. Basic idea, sets you up with a virtual pin and you have to hit the balls as close as you can. So round one, 60-degree wedge in hand, first shot. It's worth mentioning at this point that I wasn't actually sure what I was doing. It was the first time I'm playing this game, so I didn't know that there was 3 rounds. So I was just hitting the balls consecutively and not realising that obviously you had to do 3, then wait and everything else. Luckily it still kept tracking them, and that was quite a good shot there that landed in and got 300 points. I think the way that it works is you've got a target area for the green, a virtual target area for the green. Anything outside that area you tend to get sort of 50 points, like that one there, 11 yards. Also gives you your carry distance as well, and then anything you hit within the 10-yard target zone, you get more points. I think it's 3 zones in there, 150, 300 and a 700.
Your number, it's hard to tell you no. I know you've got bad intentions. Oh, it feels so good to have attention. Yeah, no one has to know, no one has to know you're my guilty pleasure.
Getting dialed in, guys, getting dialed in. What this game is great for is showing just how inconsistent I am with my shots. Some good ones, some bad ones. But it's slow-mo time, ladies and gentlemen. That must mean something good's about to happen. The ball's striking over. It's on a straight line. It's heading to the 148 target. And... Bullseye! Give me trophy. Give me target. What have I won? 700 points. Nothing else. Well, self-gratification anyway. So that's it for playing this game of Bullseye, I think it was called. Anyway, really enjoyed it. This is Waterfront Golf Club driving range. And yeah, I mean, it's a great place to come when it is raining. That thing you can see in the distance there is the coolest thing I've ever seen. It's a robot ball collector. Look at it. It's amazing. Just tootles around all day just picking up balls. I wonder when it gets paid. Nice little bit of energy boost at end. Them little orange signs there, the signal boxes, I actually hit one of them. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for it. But yeah. So that's it, another successful video. On the way out here, you will see on your right hand side, this is where the bar basically looks out onto the driving range. There you go, look, the right hand side bar there, all licensed. You can take beers out to the driving range as well. On your left hand side there's all the pro shop. And yeah, what a wonderful place. Anyway guys, Triple T Golf, signing off.